Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I love to make sure that my cat is protected from fleas and ticks.
So we have been using this regularly on our cat Ollie. He is an indoor and outdoor cat, so it's really important that he has this protection. I got this in a 6-pack, and I have to say it was really affordable, and it is a 6-month supply. It's very easy to apply. The individual tubes, you just cut them open, part their hair about in the middle of their shoulder blades, and you just pour the entire contents of the tube right onto the skin. We live in a really wooded area, and we would find a lot of ticks on him before, but since using this, there has been a massive reduction in the amount of ticks that we have found, and actually the 1 or 2 that we did see were not actually attached to him. So we're definitely happy with the results, and of course we've not seen any fleas either. So I feel like this is a really effective product, and I would definitely recommend it.
So I've been really happy with this Amazon Basics flea and tick control, and that's my point of view.